This is how to use CSS on Neocities. From your dashboard, you can create a new file and name it style.css and click create. Or you can upload your own CSS file and choose your CSS file. So that will be style. Or you can create a new folder and separate your CSS. So for this, you can organize your website files. And to open your CSS, just hover it and just click edit. And here you can see your CSS. You can edit this, and once you have finished editing, you can just click save. Let's go back to dashboard, and if you want to use your CSS file, you can call it on your index or whatever HTML you want to. So for this guide, we will use index.html, then linked it. So for this index.html file, you can use link and the directory of your style.css. So use rel as a style sheet, and for type, that will be text /CSS and your CSS file. So this is how to use CSS on Neocities.